Hi, Brian Bachman with MarineMax Clearwater today, here with a fresh trade video walkthrough, a 2017 Pathfinder 2600 TRS. This is the model with the third row seating that preserves all the fishability, so let's do a little walkthrough and take a look. Starting up at the bow, we'll see it does have the 36 volt Minn Kota iPilot 112. Moving back onto the casting deck, we'll see we do have the cushion package, and day of fishing, simply remove that, but otherwise if you're taking the family out, very comfortable. Flip up backrests. Easy access to your storage as well still, so plenty of room for your life jackets, throw cushions, and extra gear. We can see we have the optional bow table installed for a nice day at the beach. Underneath this, we do have additional storage. And flip up backrests on both sides, but we do have additional storage on each side underneath the seating. Moving in front of the console, we'll see we have a nice comfortable seat. Again, another cooler, so load that up with ice and beverages. Now we'll move on back. We'll see we do have rod storage underneath the gunnels on both sides. And on side of the console as well. Moving up to the helm, we'll see we have our Garmin XSV, Yamaha Command Link gauge, Garmin VHF, trim tabs, and Fusion stereo, and additional power pole remote. We do have the 10-foot blade on the back. One of my favorite things about this model is how comfortable it is. So we have magnificent helm seating here, flip up bolsters, but longer run, you want to take a seat, you can flip down your footrests, armrests, and have a seat. Very versatile and comfortable ride. And moving to the transom, we'll see the expansive casting deck here. So both sides, we do have live and release wells that are already plumbed. Bilge access here, and our TRS, our third row of seating. So simply pull that out. We can get three full-size adults for very comfortable seating back here. It is powered by the Yamaha F300, so very smooth, quiet, and reliable power. Does have the Atlas jack plate, about 280 hours on the engine. Up top, we have our rocket launchers, a couple of Kingfish rod holders. And last but not least, we know somebody's going to ask about the head, so moving up to the starboard side of the console, you can have a very nice size head, a little extra storage, but appease those family members when you're out on the water. If you'd like more information about this boat or any others, feel free to give me a call. This is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-536-2628. So give us a call, come on down, see this boat in person, set up a demo, get on the water today.